Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a little Christmassy kind of look. I've seen a few posts on my Instagram of some people doing like the little candy cane liner, and I thought, fuck it, let me try it out. Let me see if I can do it. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to try not to slouch so much, but you're only going to see this half of me and not my big ass forehead, so that's okay. I'm going to go do my foundation and my brows, and just my base, and I'll be back. I think I fixed the problem with my camera and the lighting, the ring light, whatever. And look, my back is up straight. I'm not slouching anymore. Yes. I did my base, my brows, I got my Cheetos, I got my coffee. Don't do this at home. So I'm going to dig into this Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to dip into this light neon green right there. And if that is not good enough or dark enough, then I'm going to deepen it up with this green color right here. And I'm going to be applying that into the crease. So now I'm going to be putting this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Cocoa Bling. I'm going to put that on my lid and in the inner corner and the brow bone. I'm going to be using this Kylie liquid lipstick in Mary Jo K, and I'm also going to be using this NYX liquid liner in white. Okay, now that I just did the white liner, I'm going to go in with the liquid lipstick and to make little lines. So, I'm not like too mad at it. It looks okay. This is my very first time doing this kind of liner. I think it might look better with lashes on. So I'm going to go ahead and go do the other eye. I'm going to throw on these Eden Rose lashes in Bombshell, which I'll be right back. I'm going to dip into this red shade right here, and I'm going to put that underneath my lower lash line. I'm also going to put that on my waterline. I'm going to put this IT Cosmetics mascara on my lower lash is. Now I'm going to use that Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder that I used earlier, and I'm going to put that on my face. I'm going to put on this Benefit Sunny Golden Pink blush. I'm going to put this Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Mary Jo K, the one that we use on the eyes. I'm going to put that on my lips. Now that is it. I am done with this look, and I'm actually liking it a lot. I didn't think I was going to, but I really am. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Okay. You know, I think these lashes need to be thrown away. I'm done. Bad bitch. I'm so like hunched over, but bitch, like I talked about this in my last video. This is if I sit straight up. Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a, why do I always, why bitch, why? Why do I look like this? Okay, you know what, just ignore my whole existence. Why is this thing always poking out trying to make me look like I have a booger? And I'll be right back. And, okay. I'm gonna go. I don't know why I'm still here. I don't know why I'm still recording. Bye.